Yo, what's up, Currency Trading Academy? It's your boy, the Gold Collector, also known as Julius on Instagram. Actually, this other way. My name is Julius, also known as Gold Collector on Instagram. Sorry, I got that reversed. But happy Sunday, guys. It's January 25th, and I'm going to break down gold and US30 for you guys. So, as you can see, gold has been fucking bullish, bro. It is almost at $5,000 per ounce. It's literally less than $20 away from that price. So what I can see on market open, which is in about 4 hours, is that gold is just gonna open up super bullish. It's gonna hit 5,000 on opening market. Because the thing I know about gold is that when market closes on Fridays and opens on Sundays, gold, whatever way it closed, so right now it's closing a little bit bullish. It's just gonna fire up like crazy. It's gonna fire up, especially with everything that's going on in the news. So we have Trump trying to buy Greenland. He liberated Venezuela and all those ICE raids he's going on in Minneapolis. All those people are getting shot and shit. So when there's economic turmoil, the value of the U.S. dollar will go down and gold will shoot up. Gold is a safe haven. So I'll look at the dollar really quickly. The DXY stands short for dollar. So as you can see, boom, the dollar has been tanking, bro. Like, look at this, insane. Look at that. Back from the beginning of the year, January 16th, it's just been on a super downfall right now. Actually, even go further back than that. Pretty much ever since Trump was inaugurated into office, the value of the dollar has been going down and all the markets have been going up. So take it as you will. But economically, that's the case right now. So dollar is lost 10 to 12% in its value over the last 12 months, and that's why gold has been going up. From a year ago, my gosh, you'd be really rich right now. So also, I'm trading on Forex now, so I haven't been trading any futures account. So because I just lost too many fucking funded accounts, so now I'm trading Forex now on a live account. Nothing too crazy, just letting you guys know. But over here, I'm gonna go back to where I was, and so go over my previous trades. So as you can see over here, price, I was up 1,000 pips on this trade, and then I got stopped out at around 700 pips, which is crazy. I made $70 on that because I was trading at a 0.01 lot. And then over here, I made 567 pips. Over here, 300 pips. Over here, I think there's a loss of 84 pips. Over here, I won 385 pips, 197, 199 pips. I think this was, I think I broke even on this one. 170 pips, most likely. But over here, I got caught in a little bit of the chop. Ended up blowing my live account. I had to refund it with some new live capital. So this is how it goes. But I like to trade with live capital now because I don't have to obey by these funding prop firms rules. And so it's basically the benefit about trading with your live capital is that you make your own rules. You know, you can trade with news, you can trade anytime you want, you can trade any asset. Um, yeah, I like it. And you can withdraw whenever you want to. So you don't have to wait for 8 days like Apex is kind of bullshit. You don't have to follow any consistency rules, your rules. You could just withdraw whenever you want. But alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts and chart y'all. And also I'm really liking this indicator now. It's a sessions indicator or sessions high and low. So it's really fire because it'll definitely tell me where the previous day lows and highs were. So really quickly I'm gonna mark up this up a little bit so I can see it. mark up 5,000 because that's a big number that everyone's been waiting gold to hit. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna start on the daily time frame. I'm sure the candlesticks are just gonna look super bullish. Look at that, man. So crazy. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily support. Daily resistance. Daily support. So this coming week, I can see a lot of bullish movement, but a strong pullback. When I say pullback, I see that price is going to go above 5,000 and it's going to reject. It's going to fall off the face of the planet. So all we got to do is just see what the market gives us and go from there. I'm not really liking these zones, so I don't think I'm going to mark up any big zones here. I'm just interested to see how prices are going to react. Yeah, so what I think that gold's going to do, for Sunday, I feel like it's going to go up, take take out all the sell limits over here, and it's going to come down hard and do a crazy pullback to do something like this. we shall see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can take a screenshot of my key levels. These are my key levels. Alright, now I'm gonna chart for US30. So US30 is doing its crazy pullback. I feel like it's gonna pull back to here, this daily resistance level, and then shoot back up or come back all the way down to here at 48.30.62 to then rally again. Because it's still making higher highs and higher lows. It almost hit 50,000, but not quite yet. And I think that's it. That's all the zones that we want to mark out. Because I don't think the price will break below here, but if it does, it'll come back all the way down here. We shall see. Yep. But alright guys, these are my lead levels for US30. Take a screenshot of it, use it. Hopefully these works out for you. And let's check out the fundamentals for this week. So this coming week we have federal fund rate, FOMC on Wednesday, that's gonna be a big hitter, and core PPI on Friday. So those 2 days we're gonna have a lot of volume. I'm sure we're gonna see gold hit 5,000 this week, and there's a very good chance that we might see 50,000 on US30. So we might see those two big assets hit their new all-time highs. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good trading week. As always, if you guys have any questions, shoot my DMs, and I'm happy to talk to you. All right, guys. Peace.